Where's your money gonna come from for your kitchen remodel? The kitchen sink? Oh, maybe. Hi, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and today we're answering a practical but super important question we hear from Central Ohio homeowners. How do most people pay for their kitchen remodel? Remodeling isn't cheap, and if you've started gathering quotes, you're probably realizing that a full kitchen update is a significant investment. And while we talk a lot about countertops, cabinets, and layout, the budget conversation is just as important. So let's walk through the most common ways homeowners finance their remodel, the pros and cons of each, and a few tips to help you avoid stress before the bills start coming in. Let's start with the simplest and honestly, the rarest option, paying cash. Some homeowners are able to save up and pay for their entire remodel out of pocket. That's ideal, of course, no interest, no debt, no ongoing payments. But with kitchen remodels often ranging between $25,000 and $60,000 or more, most people either can't or choose not to pay in full with cash. If you're using savings, just be sure to keep an emergency fund intact. It's never a good idea to drain your entire cushion just to redo the kitchen, no matter how beautiful it turns out. Home equity loans or lines of credit is the next option. This is one of the most popular options, tapping into your home's equity. With a home equity loan, you borrow a lump sum and pay it back over time with a fixed interest rate. With a HELOC, you get a line of credit you can draw from as needed, sort of like a credit card with a lower interest rate. These are great options if you've built up enough equity in your home, you're comfortable taking on a second loan, or you want fixed payments over a set term for loans or flexibility for HELOCs. Just make sure you understand the terms and that you're working with a reputable lender who can walk you through the real cost of borrowing. Another option that's growing in popularity is using a personal loan. This is an unsecured loan, which means you don't need to use your home as collateral. Approval is usually faster, and you don't have to refinance or go through the same process as a mortgage or a HELOC. That said, interest rates are often higher, especially if your credit score isn't stellar, and loan terms can be shorter, which means higher monthly payments. It can be a great solution for smaller remodels or if you're looking for fast funding, but be sure to compare offers carefully. Some remodeling companies, including us, offer short-term financing options like 12-month same-as-cash loans or low-interest promotional financing. These are great if you have the ability to pay off the balance quickly, you don't want to open a HELOC or take on a long-term loan, or you just need a little help spreading out payments during the project. The key here is to pay attention to the fine print. Promotional financing often comes with terms that require full repayment within a set time, or you'll owe interest retroactively. If you're confident in your repayment timeline, this can be a smart and convenient solution. We do often see homeowners put some of their remodel on a credit card, especially when trying to earn points or take advantage of 0% interest offers. But here's the deal. Just be careful if you use credit cards to finance your remodeling projects. The interest rates are high and it's easy to end up in a hole that's hard to get out of. Only consider this option if you're paying off the balance right away or using it as a bridge until another financing source kicks in. So, what's the best option? Honestly, it depends on your personal situation. So ask yourself, do I have equity in my home? What monthly payment am I comfortable with? How soon do I need the project completed? And am I okay with interest in exchange for getting the space I need now? For many families, the right answer is a combination, using savings to cover part of the project and financing the rest. At JSB, we work with homeowners in all different financial situations. We're not financial advisors, but we are here to help you think through the options and point you toward resources that fit your budget and your timeline. If you're trying to figure out what your dream kitchen might actually cost, we've got a free tool on our website that can help. Just answer a few quick questions about the style and features you're looking for, and it'll give you a ballpark estimate to work from, no strings attached. Once you've got that number in mind, you can start exploring financing options that work for your situation, or see if your budget lines up with your goals. And if you want help walking through it all, we'd be happy to meet with you for a free consultation. Just head to our website, linked in the description, to get started. We're here to help you remodel with clarity and confidence. Every dream kitchen has a price, but with the right plan, it doesn't have to feel out of reach. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.